Worthless people live only to eat and drink. People of worth eat and drink only to live. A profound quote from the ancient Greeks that we'll dissect today. The ancient Greeks, renowned for their wisdom and philosophy, held a fascinating perspective on life. They believed in the concept of eudaimonia, a term that translates roughly to the good life or flourishing. This wasn't about mere physical pleasures or material wealth. Rather, it was about living a life of virtue, a life of purpose. Now consider the hedonist lifestyle, a term derived from the Greek word hedon, meaning pleasure. For some Greeks, pleasure was the highest good. They lived to eat and drink, to enjoy the sensory delights of the world. But were they of worth? Or was it those who ate and drank only to sustain their lives, their pursuits of wisdom, courage and justice? The ancient Greeks were onto something, weren't they? Let's delve deeper into what this quote means. Imagine a life consumed by the pursuit of pleasure, food and drink. This is the life of those who live to eat and drink. The hedonist lifestyle, a philosophy born in ancient Greece, places pleasure at the forefront of existence. Every decision, every action is guided by the pleasure principle. The idea that whatever brings the most immediate joy is the right choice. This lifestyle may seem appealing. Who wouldn't be enticed by the allure of constant joy, the tantalizing taste of fine wine, or the satisfying crunch of a gourmet meal? Yet there are drawbacks. The hedonist's pursuit of pleasure often ignores long-term consequences. The thrill of the moment can overshadow the potential for future pain or misfortune. What's more, the hedonist lifestyle can lead to an endless cycle of desire. The more pleasure we seek, the more we desire it. Living for immediate satisfaction can be appealing, but at what cost? Now let's turn the tables. Now, imagine a life where eating and drinking serve a higher purpose to fuel your body and mind to achieve your goals. This is the life of those who eat and drink to live. Consider the mindset of those who prioritize purpose over immediate gratification. They see each meal as an opportunity to nourish their bodies, understanding that a well-fueled body leads to a well-fueled mind. Rather than indulging in excess, they savor each bite, each sip, appreciating the nourishment it provides. The benefits of this approach are numerous. Health, for instance, is often improved as a result of mindful eating. Longevity, too, as a balanced diet and moderate consumption can contribute to a longer, healthier life. But perhaps the most profound benefit is fulfillment. By choosing purpose over pleasure, these individuals find a deeper satisfaction, a sense of accomplishment that fleeting pleasures simply cannot provide. So, it seems that a life of purpose offers a different kind of satisfaction, doesn't it? Let's recap what we've learned. So, we've looked at two ways of living. One, driven by immediate pleasure, the other by purpose. We've wandered through the hedonistic lifestyle, indulging in food and drink without restraint, living for the next high. Conversely, we've explored purposeful living, where sustenance serves merely as fuel, a means to an end, not the end itself. The contrast is stark, isn't it? As the ancient Greeks said, worthless people live only to eat and drink, people of worth eat and drink only to live. Which lifestyle